everybody, Keegan here. I'm going to be applying the XPLORE Off-Road American flag decal right here to our rear window of our 2016 Jeep. So, we have already cleaned the window, used the blue Windex solution, and the first step is to tape the flag into place using some masking tape. I am attempting this as a one-man job. I've seen a couple other YouTube videos with a two-man crew, so let's see if I can handle this by myself. It does seem to be cut to just about the exact size. I'm going to tack it in place here in the middle. All right, got it tacked in place, and now I'm going to run a vertical strip of tape down the middle, just like the instructions say. All right, that is step one. Next, we're going to flip the left side over to that middle tape line, and we're going to begin to peel this backing paper off until we reach the middle of the decal. All right, you can see now the sticky side of the decal is detached from that backing paper. And now we are going to cut off the backing paper. All right. XPLORE Off-Road provides this squeegee. So now I'm going to, and the instructions recommend to put down about 1/2 inch at a time while squeegeeing. So, let's begin that. So I'm going to be putting this down just slowly, squeegee it on little by little to get that pressure down on the decal. The instructions do recommend to keep tension on the decal also, so I'm trying to keep it tight over here on the left side. When I'm doing these kinds of projects, I always try to start from the middle also. So start from the middle and then kind of work outward to squeeze the air bubbles out. Getting close here on this first half. Seems to be going down very smoothly. Thanks also to my lovely cameraman Paxton, my 8-year-old son, providing this video for us. Seems like a perfect fit. All right, that side seems nice and tight. Again, now we need to peel back this side and remove this backing paper from this side. Now we will slowly, Paxton, are your fingers on the video right now? Now we will slowly go back the other direction. Little by little, we are connecting the stripes. I just got this Jeep a few months ago. Got this blue color so I could really customize it with some Chicago Cubs and American flag kind of decorations. My son Paxton there's a huge Jeep fan himself. We'd seen some Jeeps with these flag decals on the windows before we got this one, and this was part of the plan all along. We're finally making it happen. Fingers crossed, it seems to really be going down smooth. We don't want air bubbles, Paxton. I think my cameraman's arms are getting tired.
Yep, they are.
Seems like a perfect fit up there along the top edge of the window. All right, next up, once it's all applied, the instructions recommend to really go over all the black areas. So I have done that. I'm not seeing any air bubbles and I feel like it's really nice and smooth. And again, I've really gone over all those black areas, trying to push out any air bubbles and work those toward the edges. Seems nice and smooth. So next step is to remove the protective cover, and it's the moment of truth. We'll see how it looks. Nice and slow, and it says to especially be careful around the details of the stars. So we will remove this with much patience. See those stars coming out. Are you getting that, Paxton?
Yeah.
Seems perfect so far. That stripe actually started to come off right there. Let me see this. Well, XPLORE Off-Road, what's happened here is you can see the stripe is stuck under the stripe is stuck under this kind of edge of the backing paper, and that's why the stripe is sticking. You can see the stripe is stuck, so I'm going to have to try to peel that out of there. Okay, had a little snag right here on this stripe because the stripe was sort of stuck to the backing paper. So what I did was I cut away just that small little bit. It was just a millimeter where it was stuck. So now hopefully that stripe will stick, and yes it is. Now that I cut it away from the backing paper, the stripe is sticking now as it should. All right, we are past the edges now, so it should come off more smoothly from here out. Looking good, Paxton?
Yep.
There we go. right. It is applied. Looks nice and smooth. One-man job. The top edge, I think, is very close with little trimming. The final step is to trim anything that's needed. I do have a little bit of excess here along the bottom edge, so I'll just trim that with a utility knife. But up here toward the front, I think it's just about perfect. So yeah, that was a nice and smooth project. Looks nice and clean and professional. You can see Paxton there in the reflection. Thanks, video man. Future YouTube star. He's even wearing his American flag baseball shirt. We're a baseball in America family. There you go. Thank you, XPLORE Off-Road. Highly recommend the product.
The back of my shirt has more American flag.
And again, it's a one-man job. I will also say the instructions recommend to apply it in temperatures of 70 or higher. Here in Indiana in January, what's the temperature today, Paxton? I think it's about 40 today. My garage is not heated, but we do collect some heat in here that comes in from the house. So it's probably, somewhere between, it feels pretty good in here right now, 60, 65. I doubt it's 70. But again, it seemed to work really well, even though I don't think it's really 70 degrees right here in my garage. All right, that'll be all. Thanks for watching, and maybe I'll do some more.